So I decided that I was going to read you some stories and hopefully some good sneezes. Refused. He would not have them killed. Of the royal government of Spain. Watch. You can imagine.